Yes, hello, good morning sa mga estudyante natin dyan. Sa mga nagtatanong kung papaano nga ba gagamitin yung module. So today, sasagutin natin yung tanong na yan. At kung ano-ano ba yung parts ng isang module. Sa mga nagtatanong kung ano nga ba ang isang module, ito yung pinadaling version ng mga libro. Dinesign kasi ito para sa independent learning ninyo, mga estudyante. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin ng independent learning ay hindi nyo na tatanungin yung mga teachers ninyo. O pwede nyo pa rin tanungin yung mga teachers ninyo, kontakin nyo sila through messenger or text kung may mga activities na hindi kayo nauunawaan. So yun ang purpose ng module. Sa module na gagamitin ninyo, ito ay mayroong 11 parts. Yes, 11 parts. And today I'm going to discuss each part of the module. Ang first part natin ay yung tinatawag na what I need to know. So in this part, the module provides the objectives or learning competencies. Yung tinatawag na MELCs or most essential learning competencies. So bakit importanteng basahin at unawain ang part na to? Ito ay importante na maunawaan para malaman ninyo kung ano yung ine-expect sa inyo na matutunan after this module. Ang pangalawang part ay yung tinatawag na what I know. What I know. So in this part, this serves as the pre-test. Actually, ginagawa din naman to in regular classes. That your teacher, before proceeding to the lesson, nagkakaroon muna siya ng pre-test. So what is the purpose of this part? The purpose of this part is to determine the existing knowledge or yung stock knowledge ninyo about the topic. At sabi dito, if you would get 100% correct answer, then you may decide not to push through reading and studying this module. Pero siyempre, wala naman siguro makaka-perfect nito. You still need to review or refresh this lesson for your mastery. The third part is what's in. Yes, what's in. So in this part, you will have a pre-activity, a short pre-activity that will enable you to make yourselves ready and prepared for the lesson or lesson proper. And in this activity, it will give you the opportunity to link or connect your previous lesson to the present lesson. So it's also very important to make yourselves ready or motivated to proceed to the lesson proper. So we are now on the fourth part. The fourth part is what's new. What's new? So in this part, this will serve as the introduction of the lesson. So it's also very important that you will have the introduction for you to also know what you're going to have in this lesson. Panglima. So, the fifth one is what is it? So finally, in this part, you will have the brief discussion wherein you will learn new concepts, new ideas, new learning, new knowledge from this lesson. At yung pang-anim na part ay yung tinatawag na what's more. So after having the brief discussion wherein you learn new concepts and ideas, it is now time for you to test or to put into practice what you have just learned. So in this part, you will have independent activities. Yes, independent activities to practice. So ganun naman talaga. Diba? We're very excited to test or to put into practice what we have just learned. So it's very important that you have to take this part seriously. Kasi dito mo mapapractice kung ano yung natutunan mo eh. So importante na sagutin ninyo ito with all honesty, with all integrity. Kasi mamaya, madi-discuss ko din kung ano ba yung last part ng module. So we are now on the seventh part of our module. So the seventh part is what I have learned. So in this part, to process what you have just learned, you need to fill in the blanks to complete the statement or short paragraph. So we are now on the eighth part of the module. So yung tinatawag na what I can do. Actually sa part na to masasagot yung mga pilosopong bata na nagtatanong, saan ko ba magagamit tong napag-aralan ko na to? Actually sa part na to, gagawin mo in real life situation kung paano mo maya apply at magagamit ng kapaki-pakinabang itong natutunan mo. So in this part, you will have exciting and a bit challenging tasks that you need to accomplish. So we are now on the 9th part, which is the assessment, wherein you need to answer set of questions to determine your mastery of the lesson. Ang kagandahan nito, after checking, actually you yourself will check your test or quiz. After determining your score, now you will know if you need to repeat or reread and relearn the lesson. Yun ang kagandahan nito eh. So that's the assessment part. And pang-10, we have additional activities. Kung dati may assignment kayo or homework, dito meron din syempre additional activities that will enable you to dig deeper and to have additional information, knowledge with regards to the topic. So, importante din yung part na to. Additional activities provided in the module. Just to practice and also to make you more knowledgeable about the lesson. Then finally, we have the last part, which is the answer key. So, anong purpose ng answer key? Ang purpose nito ay hindi para buklatin ang yun, buklatin at para lang ma-perfect ninyo yung bawat activity na gagawin ninyo. Hindi yun ang purpose nun So, where's the learning in that sense? So, ang purpose ng answer key is for your self-checking ng yung activity. Yes, self-checking. Kasi kayo mismo mag-check ng mga activities na gagawin ninyo. Again, hindi dapat buklatin ang answer key while answering each activity na nasa module. Sana lagi niyong tandaan yun. Kailangan maging honest kayo to yourself. Okay? So those are the 11 parts of a module and I hope you understand each of them very well. Another topic that we're going to have today is how to properly use the module. Una, you may provide clean or another sheet of paper in answering each activity. Bakit? Kasi baka magkaroon ng possibility na hindi sapat yung copies ng ating mga modules. So in that case, maaari pa siyang gamitin ng iba pang mga estudyante. Pangalawa, do not forget to accomplish what I know. Yes, what I know. Kagaya ng diniscuss ko kanina, what I know contains or provides you the opportunity to determine the things that you already know with regards to the topic. So do not forget or do not skip accomplishing what I know before proceeding to the lesson. Pangatlo, ito yung dapat nating laging tatandaan. Yung unawaing mabuti yung bawat instruction or direction before proceeding to answering each activity. Dito tayo lagi nagkakamali eh. Kaya dear students, laging babasahin ninyo at unawaing mabuti yung bawat direction or instruction ng activity. At syempre, pang-apat, napakahalaga din ito to always observe honesty and integrity in checking each activity. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, nandyan ang answer key. Hindi para siguraduhin na mapaperfect ka. Ang importante dito, lalong-lalo na distance learning tayo Ang importante dito ay yung talagang matuto kayo. Hindi natin kailangan ng perfect scores. Ang kailangan natin, kagaya ng lagi kong sinasabi sa mga estudyante, sa inyo, nung nagkakaroon pa tayo ng regular classes, na hindi importante na mataas or perfect ang score ninyo. Ang importante ay yung natutunan ninyo. Totoong na-absorb ninyo sa bawat lesson. Panglima, it is very important na matapos ninyo yung mga activity before proceeding to the next activities and lesson. Kasi yung mga activities natin dyan ay dinesign from the simpler one hanggang sa complex one. So, importante na magsimula ka muna dun sa medyo madadali hanggang sa papahirap siya ng papahirap. So, ganun na. Kailangan matapos ang bawat activity bago mag-proceed sa susunod na activity. Huwag palaktaw-laktaw. At yung pang-anim at panghuli, after going through thoroughly sa module set for the week, it is now time for you to return the module to your facilitator or teacher. You may ask your parents to drop the module sa mga barangay hall ninyo para just to make sure that you're safe. At kami na ang bahalang kumuha, mag-retrieve ng mga modules ninyo to record and to track your progress sa ating bawat lesson. So I hope you understand it very well. At sa mga susunod na mga tanong ninyo or meron pang clarification, just message me or mag-message kayo dito sa akin, sa channel. Sasagutin natin yan.